students, in this lecture we will see introduction to algebra. Okay, so in this we will see different things. So what will be the learning plan? It is as follows. So through this, first we will see how to frame algebraic expression for the given statement. Means some statement they will give you, and with the help of that statement you have to frame algebraic expression. Okay. Second one, how to identify terms of an algebraic expression. So there are different terms in an algebraic expression. These terms can come in the form of monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay, so that you have to find out. Third one is how to find coefficient of the terms of an algebraic expression. So coefficients can come in the form of different, they can come in numerical coefficient or literal coefficients also. Then next we will see different operations on an algebraic expression. So these operations come in the form of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, along with different type of brackets. Next we will see how to distinguish monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. So monomial means it has only one term. Binomial, it will consist of two terms. Similarly, trinomial consists of three terms, and polynomial means more than three terms. So it can be considered as a polynomial. Then next is how to evaluate algebraic expression for given values of variable. Means for this you have different values of a particular variable, and by using that values you have to find out value of full algebraic expression. Then last one is generalization of algebra. Okay, so first we are seeing that algebra consists of different type of operations. These operations can come in the form of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, along with different type of brackets. So these are different type of brackets. Okay, and whenever we will use these operations or brackets, so we should use Bodman's rule. Okay, Bodman's means bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, so algebra consists of different type of operations as well as brackets, and it also consists of constant and variables. So what are constant and variables? So we can easily judge by its name. Constant means whose values is fixed, means its value will not change. Suppose your birth date, so your birth date is fixed, so we can consider it as a constant. And variables means its value is always changing. So they will come in the form of any alphabets. It can come in the form of A, B, X, X, Y. If I say your exam date, so your exam date is always changing and every year it is changing, so we can consider it as a variable. Okay, now we are seeing how to find out coefficient in an algebraic expression. Suppose you have 3x square. So 3x square, in 3x square we want to find out coefficient of x square. So what will be the coefficient of x square in 3x square? Is plus 3. Again, next one is you have to find out coefficient of x square in minus 2 by 3x square. So it will be minus 2 by 3. Next, coefficient of x in minus 9 by 5x. So it will be minus 9 by 5. So now we will see how we are doing it. So only 3 words you have to remember for this. This is other than that. With the help of these 3 words, you can easily find out the coefficient of an algebraic expression. Okay. So see here, in 3x square we want to find out coefficient of x square. So apart from x square, what is it? 3, or precisely we can say plus 3. So plus 3 is the coefficient. Similarly in minus 2 by 3 x square, so apart from x square it is minus 2 by 3. So this will become the coefficient. Same in minus 9 by 5x. So apart from x, here minus 9 by 5. So minus 9 by 5 will be the coefficient of x. Okay. Now full algebraic expression, if it will come in full algebraic expression, 4x square minus 2x plus 3. So what is the coefficient of x square? So it is plus 4. Okay. What is the coefficient of x? It is minus 2. And what is constant term? So constant term is 3. So how we can judge a constant term? So constant term, we can define constant term in 2 ways. What are 2 ways? First is, constant term will come with only a number. Okay, digit or number. Second one, we can judge it with every time constant has variable which is having power 0. Okay, and as you know, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So here we can say 3 multiplied by x raised to the power 0. So it will be 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, so up to here we have seen that algebraic expression is made up of variables, constant and different operations. These operations can come in the form of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division along with different brackets. Okay. So now we are seeing coefficients. Again coefficient. Here earlier we saw how to find out coefficient, and here we are seeing type of coefficients. So we have 2 type of coefficients, numerical coefficients as well as literal coefficients. So suppose we have one algebraic expression 4ab minus 2ab square plus 15, and in this expression you have to find out what is numerical coefficient and literal coefficient in different terms. In different terms means they can come in the form of 4ab, this is term of algebraic expression, minus 2ab square, this is another term, and 15. Okay, so these are the different terms, and these terms can come in the form of monomial, means only one term. If it is only one term, so we can say that it is a monomial. Okay, if it is 2 terms, 4ab minus 2ab square, so it is binomial. Okay, so terms and monomial, binomial, trinomial, they all are related to each other. Okay, so again, what is the numerical coefficient of 4ab? So it is 4, or precisely you should say plus 4, and literal coefficient of 4ab is, it will come only with variable, so it is only ab. Similarly in minus 2ab square, what is the numerical coefficient? So it is minus 2, and what is the literal coefficient? So it is ab square, and constant term in given algebraic expression is plus 15. Okay, so through this we can easily find out in algebraic expression different type of variables, constant, okay, and coefficients and type of coefficients. Okay, thank you.